Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Nissan Altima 3.5 SR. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city, and 27 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.